frame drum. This is a frame drum. It is said that frame drums are the oldest kind of drums invented, and they are found in many cultures around the world. As you can see, the frame drums has a big drum shell and is bigger than 3, 2, 1. Frame drum. This is a frame drum. It is said that frame drums are the oldest kind of drums invented, and they are found in many cultures around the world. As you can see, the frame drum has a big drum head. It's bigger than the shell. In this case, the shell becomes the frame. Therefore, the name is frame drum. Has a couple of strings to hold it together. The frame drum is frequently used as the main accompanying instrument for folk dances, songs, and ceremonies. Big frame drums have very powerful sounds and can be played with the hands, sticks, or mallets. If you don't have a frame drum, you can use this other fun alternative. The biggest pizza box that you can find. Make sure that it's clean. Close the lid, yes, and use tape to secure it. Ask for help to make a cut in the back of the box, big enough to place your hand inside. Your hand becomes the handle to hold it in place while you play. Choose a mallet or stick and practice different beats on your frame drum. Use it when you sing a song, practice a dance, or play along with your favorite music, like this one.